Hello viewers, this is Roshmi. Today I will show you Bafta Tasar along with some Gujarati stitch. In my last episode I have shown you Kantha stitch. I got a very good response. This is my 42nd episode. Let's start today. Even today also I am wearing a Bafta Tasar, batik on Bafta Tasar. See, this is the look of the sari. The material is Bafta Tasar. These all are hand batik. Now let's start. I will show you so many saris. The original price of this sari is 4050, but now the discounted price is 3800. Bafta Tasar, batik on Bafta Tasar. See, this is Aanchal portion. Sari number 1. This is Aanchal portion with owl motif. It will come in the Aanchal. Pallu portion, and this is the body. The design will go diagonally, corner to corner. See, this is the design. It will go like this way, and this is the color of the body. Baby pink. This is baby pink along with owl motif. Price is 3800. And 3800 is the discounted price, and this is the blouse piece. Sari number 1. This is Bafta Tasar, hand batik on Bafta Tasar. Sari number 2. This is also another one. The color is pesta green. This is Aanchal portion. Aanchal portion, it will come in the Aanchal. And the half sari will be like this. This is the half sari. This is the half sari, and the rest of the body is like this. This is the base color. The half sari is with pesta green with this batik border. Price is 3800, and this is the blouse piece. Sari number 3. With red and black combination. These all are hand batik. This is Aanchal. Bafta is a very comfortable material. Those who have taken, they know this is very comfortable material. See, this is the work. This work will go like this way. I will show you. See, this is the work. It will go through middle. After that, it is the border. It is in the border. The base color is black, brownish black, and the blouse piece is red. Red is the blouse piece. Price is again 3800. Sari number 4. Viewers, if you like the episode, share with your friends. This is Aanchal portion. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. This is the body. See, there are 2 types of border on both sides. Upper border is leaves motif with leaves motif, and the lower border is like this. This is also brown color, and this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Again, the price is 3800. Original price is 4050. 3800 is the discounted price. This is sari number 5. Sari number 5 is also very pretty one. This is midnight blue, or you can say this is dark grey. This is Aanchal portion. Half sari will be like this with these motifs, fish motifs. These are fish motifs. See, this is the sari, look of the sari, and the half sari is like this. Half sari is like this. This is the Aanchal portion. Price is again 3800, and this is the blouse piece. You can call or you can WhatsApp me on my number 9330866384. I can send you the sarees through courier. DTDC is available. So you can book the saree without any hesitation. This is another one. This portion is Aanchal portion, and the entire body is like this. This is a saree of border, both side border. Base color is midnight blue. This is midnight blue. This is the look of the saree. Saree number 7. This is peach color. For the new viewers, if you like the program, please share with your friends. This is also owl. This is pallu portion with owl motif, and this design will go diagonally. This is the color of the saree, peach color. I will show you like this way. This is the look of the saree. This is pallu portion, and the blouse piece is also peach. This is the blouse piece. This is the look. Saree number 8. Saree number 8 is again with red and black. See, this is Aanchal portion. It will come in the Aanchal, pallu, and the body is like this. Body will be all over with this floral motifs. It looks very nice, very pretty, and the bafta material is very comfortable. Very comfortable material. Price is again 3800, and this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Saree number 9. This is purple color. This is purple. Pallu portion. This is pallu. This is pallu. And this is the body. Body with purple on both side motifs, both side borders, and see the borders. See the borders. It will be like this. This is the look, and the blouse is also purple. This is blouse piece. Saree number 10. This is blue. You can say powder blue. Aanchal portion. Pallu portion is this, and the entire saree is. See, this is the look of the saree. This is the saree. This is the lower border. This will be the look of the saree, and the blouse piece is also blue. Price is 3800. Saree number 11. This is red. Not a bright red, but you can say tomato red with this owl motif again. There is a request for owl motifs, so I have shown you all these 3 sarees with owl motifs. This is Aanchal portion. This is again a diagonal design. It will be like this, and the saree will be like this, and the blouse piece is also red. This is tomato red. This is not blood red. And the last one, it is a geometrical design. See, this is pallu portion. This is pallu portion, and the half saree will be like this. This is a geometrical design. This is a geometrical design. Half sari will be like this, and the rest half is pista green with this border. This is pista green with the border, and this is the blouse piece. Price is again 3800. 3800 is the discounted price. Now I will show you some silk Gujarati. All the sarees are on Gujarati stitch. This is mix match. This is the pallu portion. It will come in the pallu. Pallu and blouse piece and the borders are printed. See, the color is blue with floral motif. This is pallu and this is blouse piece. Both are printed. And the body color is Rani. Rani color is the body with this Gujarati buta. See, with mirror and all. See, this is the look of the sari, and half sari will be this heavy work, and the rest half with the buta. And see, this is the look of the sari, and the price is 6,200. But now the discounted price is 6,000. Only 6,000. 6,000 is the discounted price. This is Katan silk. All the silks are Silk Mark certified. Now, this is another one. This is Tasar base. This is the pallu portion. Deep magenta color. This is the pallu portion. And the body is like this. Body is like this. And again on pleats, this work will come. Again on pleats, this work will come. Gujarati stitch. Price is 6,200. Now the discounted price is 6,000. And this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Sari number 15. This is Katan silk. Gujarati stitch on Katan silk. The color is parrot green. Price is 6,200. Katan silk. This is Katan silk, and the entire body is like this with this temple motif. The entire body is with this. This is the blouse piece. This will be the blouse piece, and the price is 6,200. Now sari number 16. This is 7,500. The price of this sari is 7,500. I will show you the sari. See, this is Aanchal portion. Pallu portion will be like this, Gujarati stitch with mirror. The material is Bangalore silk. Color is mustard yellow. See, this is the look of the sari, and the half sari with this heavy work. See, half of the sari with this heavy work, multicolored heavy work, and the rest half with the border and buta. And the rest half with the border and buta. See, this is the rest half. Price is 7,500, and this is the blouse piece. This border will come in the blouse piece. This border will come in the blouse piece, and the price is 7,500. This is Bangalore silk. And once again, see the volume of work, all with mirror. This is red color, sari number 17. Sari number 17, this is pallu portion. This is pallu portion, and both side this type of border will go. And both side this border will go. This is the entire sari. Entire sari is like this. Let me show you. This is the look of the sari, and the price is again 7,500. Sorry, the price is 6,800. I made a mistake. The price of this sari is 6,800. Next one is again 7,500. the price varies due to the volume of work. See, this is royal blue color. This is not royal blue, this is you can say navy blue. This portion will come in the pallu. The same design which I have shown in yellow, this is blue. See the volume of work with mirror, Gujarati work. Material is Bangalore silk. Material is Bangalore silk, and this is the blouse piece. It will be the blouse piece. The price is 7,500. Material Bangalore silk, and all the silks are silk mark certified, and this is the base. Half sari is like this. Price is 7,500. This is the last sari, sari number 19 of today's episode. This is also another Gujarati. The price is 6,800. The color is turquoise blue. Material is Bangalore silk. Stitch is Gujarati stitch, hand Gujarati. This is the aanchal portion, and the entire sari is with this border, both side border. Both side border, and the price is 6,800 in the pleats. The pleats will be like this. Pleats will be like this, and this is the blouse piece. I will show you this sari. This is the, and the pleats, this work will come. The price is 6,800. If you like the viewers, if you like the episode, please share with your friends, subscribe, and definitely press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. You can call me or you can WhatsApp me in my number 9330866384. See, this is the, it will be, this is the pallu portion, pleats portion, that's why I have showing you. This is the pleats portion, and this is pallu, and it will be the sari. Price is again 6,800. Viewers, if you like the episode, please share with your friends. Definitely subscribe and press the bell icon to get the next episode. My address 75 Hindustan Park, Kolkata 29, and my phone number is 9330866384.